Hello everyone, I am Vinay Kothartil and I welcome you on behalf of Target Publications for today's video. I assume that you have already started preparing for your MST CET 2019 examination that is going to happen somewhere in the month of May. To make things easier and to help you understand the material required for these books, I am presenting you the review of our book that is Triumph Chemistry for MST CET 2019. This book is specifically prepared as per the requirements of the CET of Maharashtra State Board. We at Target Publications understand the requirement and deliverance of material in a very proper way and the requirements of all the material in one book. Keeping in mind the entire book is present with lots of concepts and fun facts. Without wasting any time, let's move on with the review. Right from the cover page, we can confirm you that the book contains not only the concepts but its applications wherever possible. It will help understand the students the concepts in a much better way. Moving forward, the very first page of our book includes the paper pattern for MST CET examination. Specifically talking about chemistry section, it contains of 50 questions in the examination. For that purpose, 40 questions are from your standard 12 syllabus, whereas the 10 questions are from your standard 11 syllabus. Now once we know the paper pattern, let's quickly see the content. The book is divided into two parts. The part 1 contains the standard 11th, whereas the part 2 contains standard 12th. These two parts are included in the same book. Now, MST CET does not include all the topics from standard 11th. But to make the things clear and to help you understand some important topics from standard 12th, we have included not only the topics that are in the syllabus but have also included the topics that form the base and are very important for your standard 12th syllabus. Now, since we have already seen the content, let's move towards the review and let's see the main features of the book. Every chapter in Triumph Chemistry starts with a quick review section. This quick review section is nothing but the summary of the entire chapter shortlisted in a shorter format to help you understand, to help you revise, to help you get the concepts in a very less amount of time. This quick review section contains tables, flow diagrams, and tree diagrams to help you understand the concepts. Right after quick review comes the formulae section. Every chapter in chemistry contains formulae. These formulas have been placed inside the book as per the flow of syllabus and the flow of the chapter right after the quick review section. At some places, we have also included some important physical as well as chemical constants. Let's for example take the universal gas constant. We have also added its different values in different measurement units wherever required. Now after formulas and constants comes the very important part, that is the shortcuts. Wherever required or wherever needed, we have added shortcuts section to help you minimize the time in solving certain problems in chemistry. But remember one thing, students, these shortcuts can be used and can be utilized in a perfect way when you are thorough with the quick review as well as formulas for that particular chapter. Now very quickly moving to the most important feature of our book and the most lookout feature of our book, that is the multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions or MCQs are again divided into different types depending on the level of its question. We have included questions right from base to the level where you require additional thinking. For your betterment and to make things easier, we have divided the multiple choice questions into three types. This includes the first type, that is classical thinking. Now, classical thinking includes questions that are simple definition based, that are simple statement based, or require simple basic concept knowledge. This type of questions may not be asked in your examinations, but it will definitely help you regain or revise your concepts and will definitely boost your confidence in solving the problems or for solving other examples. Moving forward, the second type of questions is the critical thinking section. Under critical thinking section, you will find the questions that are most probable to be asked in the examinations. Again, these questions require some additional thinking, some more efforts from the student side. These questions are based on either multiple concepts or require additional thinking from your side. Now, after critical section, we have added another section in the book that is known as the competitive thinking section. This competitive thinking section contains of questions from the previous year question papers. We have included questions from MST-CET, JEE, AIPMT and other such relevant examinations based on the requirements of MST-CET students. These are the main features of the MCQ type questions. Again, it is divided into three types, that is the classical thinking, the critical thinking and the competitive thinking. Now, once you have done preparations for a particular chapter, we want you to make sure to ensure that your preparation is perfect. To provide you with that solution, we have added another section in the chapter that is known as the evaluation test. This test is based on the concept inside a particular chapter and will help you cement your knowledge for that particular chapter. Moving forward, we have also added answer keys to the MCQs present in the book. The answer key to the MCQs as well as the evaluation test are present right at the very end of every chapter in our books. So it will be easier to help you understand again what was the concept used and what was the answer for a particular question. Now quickly moving forward, we have added two model question papers. Now students, these model question papers are to help you understand your level of preparation for the examination. Once you have completed preparing your entire chapter, you can use these model question papers to understand your level of preparation and to understand the concepts that are still missing or still to be done. We have added two model question papers, model question paper 1 and model question paper 2. This will give you ample amount of preparation that is required for your examination. Now moving forward, we understand the requirement of preparation for organic chemistry. We also know that many students face difficulties in solving organic chemistry or organic chemistry reactions. To make sure you are not falling behind on that point too, we have added an extra additional chapter known as the organic reactions at the end of the syllabus of standard 12. Now these are the main features of our Triumph Chemistry. The book includes quick review, formulae, shortcuts, MCQ type questions, evaluation tests, model question papers, answer keys and additional chapter for your preparation, that is organic reactions. I hope you like the contents of the book. But if you're still thinking why you should buy our book, the answer to this is very simple, dear students. Because we at Target Publications ensure that the material is prepared according to the requirements of the MST-CET aspirants. Another point is that the syllabus is summarized and micro-planned as per the topic, subtopics, importance and weightage according to the syllabus. As I have already mentioned, there are 50 questions in the question paper. To ensure that you are not falling behind on your preparation, we have added large number of questions and large variety of questions inside our book. We have added more than 5100 questions inside the book. Another feature is that our book includes questions from premier question papers like the MSTCET, the JEE, AIPMT, NEET UG, KCET, BCECE, Gujarat CET, and etc. This is the example of such questions. There are ample number of questions inside the book. Moving forward, we have added an additional feature. This additional feature is the hints. These hints are for questions that require additional thinking or for questions where we think the student might require some help from our side. Let me tell you one thing, students. Hints are not the complete solution but are the important steps that will help you take you to a particular solution. Moving forward, we have included some additional extra fun facts. Our book includes extra fun facts to provide something more apart from the textbook knowledge. Now, these are not just any fun facts. These fun facts are directly related to a particular concept from the chapter. This will help you understand that concept in a very particular way. Let's, for example, take the extraction of zinc in ancient India. This topic is again based on a concept inside a chapter and will help you understand that part in an easier way. To motivate you further, students, we have added some incidences from the life of famous scientists to just give you a few motivational moments. Take this for example, the incidents of Marie Curie from the 8th chapter, that is DNA blocks. Another example of such fun fact is the presence of synthetic fibers in the chapter of polymers, that is in standard 12 syllabus. One very important point about target publications is that we are amongst the most preferred publications for MST CET since 2006 due to our unique and to the point features. Triumph Chemistry and the Triumph series is the flagship book of target publications, and we have made sure that it stays the best since its inception in 2006. Now moving forward, students, I told you about the hints that are provided with the questions. These hints, they are not provided with the book but are available in a downloadable format which is available at our website. To download these hints, you simply have to scan the QR code that is present on the front page of the book and follow the instructions that are mentioned. Once you download the PDF format, you will be able to see the hints for that particular chapter. Here, for example, you can see the hints for some basic concepts of chemistry. I hope that finally I have been able to convince you what is there inside our material and what makes us a flagship in MST CET preparations. Now, students, if you like our book, if you liked our material, please like this video and subscribe our channel Target Publications for various reviews and various conceptual videos based on the topics from physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Also, you can buy our books from the link given below. Thank you.